Along with the Redmi Note 13 Pro series, Xiaomi also introduced the Redmi Note 13 5G, the cheapest version in China. As it had promised, it packs a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and 2.25 mm chin, 7.6 mm sleek body. It powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6080 SoC with up to 12 GB RAM. The phone has a 100 MP camera along with a 2 MP depth sensor and a 16 MP front camera. It has IP54 rating for dust and water resistance and packs a 5000 mAh battery with support for 33-watt fast charging. Let's talk about the Redmi Note 13 5G specifications. It has 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, up to 1000 nits peak brightness and 1920Hz high frequency rate, and it has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It has also octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 6080 6nm processor with Mali G57 MC2 GPU, and it comes with a 6 GB, 8 GB and 12 GB LPDDR4X RAM with 128 GB or 256 GB UFS 2.2 internal storage and expandable memory with micro SD card. It comes with the Android 13 with MIUI 14 and dual SIM 100 ampere camera with 2 MP depth sensor, and in front side it has 16 MP front camera, side mounted fingerprint sensor, 3.5 mm audio jack and weight up to 173.5 gram. It also has a dust and splash resistance and comes with a 5G band, and this phone has a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. And when it comes in a pricing, the Redmi Note 13 5G comes in sand white, midnight black and time blue colors, and its price starts from 13,600 to 19,600 approx. The phone is already on sale in China, and we hope that this phone comes in India soon. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you should like and subscribe this channel for more updates like this.